when I travel, I want to make sure that I haven't lost or forgotten any of my USB connectors or cords for all of my electronics. It can be very expensive whenever you get to a store, I found, and have to at the last minute pick up something to charge your phone or your Apple Watch. This solves that problem. It's a 3-in-1 travel charger. It has the ability to charge your cell phone. It in the center then can do your earbuds, AirPods, and then at the end here it does your Apple Watch. A couple really great things about this for me were that it snaps shut, so it's very small. It's only about 1 inch wide and 3 inches long in width. It's very sleek. It could almost fit in your pocket. It comes with its own charging cord. When I've put this on a table, I love the fact that it doesn't have a night light that would disturb me in the middle of the night. It's a fast lightning charger, and it doesn't have anything that sticks up so that you have to put your cell phone on a stand, because I have knocked it off before. So this is a great addition to any travel bag, or you can use it at home as I have in the past.